So today we will discuss on the topic DNA replication in biochemistry. So DNA replication is also known as semi-conservative model. The two scientists Watson and Crick in 1953 proposed a scheme that DNA replication was semi-conservative. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is a genetic material which carries the information from an organism from one generation to the next generation. First generation characteristics are carried in the next generation, like from parents to their children. DNA is present inside the nucleus in chromosome. DNA molecule look like a twisted rope ladder which is made up of the unit called nucleotide, like we can see in the diagram. It is made up of nucleotide and its shape looks like a rope. So, and now we will look what is DNA replication. Simply, DNA replication, it is the biological process of producing two identical replicas, means producing the two same replicas of DNA from one original DNA molecule. It is known as DNA replication. The process of DNA duplication is also known as DNA replication. The process of DNA replication occurs in several steps. They are as follows. The first step is replication fork formation. Before DNA can be replicated, the double-stranded molecule must be unzipped into single strand. Means the double-stranded molecule must be unbinded into single strand before DNA can start replication. DNA has four bases. They are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine, and they form pair between two strands. Like this color represent the particular base pair. This color represent particular base pair. So as we can see that green means adenine can bind only to thymine orange, and in case of cytosines bind to only guanine. This is the base pair binding. So this binding between base pair must be broken to separate DNA molecule. This is performed by the enzyme DNA helicase. So what is the role of DNA helicase? DNA helicase disturbs the hydrogen bonding between base pair and separate strands into Y shape. Okay. This is known as replication fork formation. So now, as we can see in the figure, DNA is directional in both strands 5' and 3'. The 5 end attached to a phosphate group. The 5 end, this end is attached to a phosphate group, and the 3 end is attached to a hydroxyl group. But the replication fork is bidirectional, where the 3 to 5 is attached to a the 3 to 5 is attached to a the 3 to 5 is attached to a leading strand, and 5 to 3 is attached to a lagging strand. Okay, so back to the slide. So second step is primer binding. The leading strand is important for replication, and a primer bind to 3 ends of the DNA strand, which is generated by the enzyme DNA primase. Moving to the step third, elongation. Simply elongation means making the process length. Okay. So enzyme known as DNA polymerase are responsible for creating new strand by the process of elongation. There are basically 5 different types of DNA polymerase. in bacteria and in human cell. Like in bacteria such as E. coli. And polymerase 3. Polymerase 3 is the main replication enzyme, while polymerase 1, 2, 4 and 5 are only responsible for error checking and repair. And in eukaryotic cell, polymerase alpha, delta and epsilon are responsible for DNA replication. DNA polymerase then add pieces of DNA to the strand between primer, which is known as Okazaki fragment. Step 4th. Termination. An enzyme in exonucleus removes all the RNA primers from original strand when the continuous and discontinuous strands are formed. When the continuous and discontinuous strands are formed. When the continuous and discontinuous strands are formed, the enzyme in exonucleus removes all the RNA primers. Okay. So, DNA ligase enzyme join Okazaki fragment and form single strand. When DNA ligase enzyme join the fragment, then it forms the single strand due to the help of fragment, Okazaki fragment. The end of the parent strand consists of a DNA sequence called as telomeres, which is acting as the protective cap at the end of the chromosome. Telomeres have the main role in protective cap at the end of the chromosome. Finally, two molecules are formed after the replication. One is parent molecule and another is new strand is formed, like a rope like structure. Okay.